First, we log into the back end of the website, inserting our username and password. This web address will be bookmarked on your computer, and the next thing we'll do is click on the website title, top left, which will bring us to the website, which is normal looking except there is a black strip all the way across the top. Now we'll choose, and we will then go to the top, edit page. At this point we can add content or delete content. Let's add some. Now we'll update the page. And here we can view the new content, clicking on the View Page link. And there is the latest version of the page. Now we'll add a page. Adding a post or a page is exactly the same process. If you add a post, you'll be adding a post to the blog. If you add a page, you'll start with a heading, some content. It's important to remember that adding a post or adding the page is exactly the same. You're just doing it in a different location on the website. Publish to update, so that if anything goes wrong, the computer crashes or something, at least we've saved our work. We could view the page, but let's add an image first. Click on the Add Media button and choose an image from our media library. You'll note that once chosen, we inserted it, and now we have a new image at the top of the story. Now how about we'll do it all over again. This time we'll add an image from our computer. And once again, add media, but this time upload files. Select the file and browse through the computer until you find the image you're looking for. In this case, a terribly handsome young man. We insert into page, and there it is. Now we update and click View Page. And there we have our latest page on our website. Don't forget, log out, and we're done.